In 2019, the West Virginia Conservation Agency played a key role in the Buffalo Creek Habitat Enhancement Project, which added fish habitat and helps protect the vulnerable center pier of a historic bridge in Swandale.
Okay, so this is the Buffalo Creek Habitat Enhancement Project, and it was spearheaded by DEP and the Buffalo Creek Watershed Association. It was done with funds out of DEP's Stream Restoration Fund. The Buffalo Creek Watershed Association has been doing work up here for several years. They started liming the creek several years back, and they started a trout stocking program. And they realized that what they were lacking was a lot of quality habitat. There's some really good areas and there's some really poor areas, and our idea was to link up these areas.
Structures called vane arms, boulder clusters, and a weir were designed to help achieve the project goals.
The vane arms kind of serve to narrow the channel up, tighten it up, create kind of a rock and roll effect with the water, some habitat pools, and we have boulder clusters in between that just create a little bit extra scour on the bed and add a little more habitat.
The rock and roll effect diverts the water from the sides of the stream back to the center. This allows it to pick up speed moving downstream and helps transport sediment properly.
The channel, when we showed up, it was really wide, really flat, shallow water. So the idea was to narrow it up with these vane arms, add a little bit of depth to the channel, and create kind of a rock and roll effect with the water.
The boulder clusters add habitat for fish with some subtle scour, which is a design degradation of the stream bed in a small area that creates some pocket pools of water.
At the lower extent of the project, there is an old railroad trestle with a center pier, and it's kind of a historic bridge in the area. We installed a weir to move the water through the cells of the bridge and to protect the center pier.